Newton's second law of motion. It can be stated as: when a net force acts on a body, it produces acceleration in the body in the direction of the net force. The magnitude of this acceleration is directly proportional to the net force acting on the body and inversely proportional to its mass. According to this law, A is proportional to F. A is proportional to 1 over m. A is proportional to F over m. F is proportional to ma. F is equal to kma. F is equal ma. Following figures explain the relationships between force, mass and acceleration. Practical example of Newton's second law of motion is shown here. SI unit of force is Newton. According to Newton's second law of motion, 1 Newton is the force that produces an acceleration of 1 ms squared in a body of mass of 1 kg. 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg into meter per second square.